So as most of y'all know, I think I talked about it before, but my saddlebags are in poor shape. These are leather-like bags. They looked good at first, but they've just worn really terribly. And as you can see, both hinges flew off and caused me to lose my lids on the road. On both sides, actually. This one's in a little bit better shape than this one. Excuse all my crap in there. But you can see right here, it's actually cracking, and it's cracked all the way through and all that kind of stuff. So I tried calling Leather-Like a while back, but they never return my calls, they never return my emails, and then I found out they went out of business, which doesn't surprise me too much. Also, another thing, these are supposed to have supports. These don't have supports. They're just kind of bolted on straight to the side, and it's pretty sketchy going down the road. So what I did on Facebook, I'm on a Roadstar Facebook group, and there's a guy selling some saddlebags with the brackets. They're the OEM saddlebags, not brand new, but they look decent. Have a little reflector in there, and they have the bracket. Let me dig it out. Yeah, so I'm super excited to have the support brackets. That way I can just put anything in there and not really have to worry about it. Also, I don't think I've ever done a walk around of the bike. So for y'all that, I know I've talked about riding a Roadstar, but this is it. Excuse how dirty the bike is, but this is it. 99 Yamaha Roadstar. Most of it's all original. Haven't done too much to it, except the driver's backrest. I have back problems, and this thing has been a lifesaver. I highly recommend it if you have back issues and your back starts hurting on long rides. I used to not be able to go with more than an hour, and now I can go. Yeah, I can ride pretty much all day without only having to stop for fuel and be just fine. So it's older and high mileage, but I'm kind of proud of these miles. 81,000. I don't know if you can see that. Also, another good thing that I did with this, and again, they're dirty, so excuse them, are the lowers. That cut down on the buffeting a lot. I used to get a face full of wind on this thing, and with those, it channels it all around you. So if you're having issues with that, I highly recommend lowers. All right, so let's get into changing these bags. All right, so before I set the camera up, I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do real quick. This is all that's holding this on are these two Allen heads, and they also hold the sissy bar on and the backrest. So all I'm going to do is take these out on both sides, and the bag has these little pins. I'll pull the pins, and the bag should come off, and then we'll see what we need to put the brackets on. Easy as that. So as you can see, already much stronger. I can put anything in here, and it's supported by the frame. Alrighty, guys. So I do apologize. The battery died on my camera, but we did get the job done. So here are the two old bags, and you can see they just look worn, weathered, and they are. But they're also kind of a little bit more flimsy than I wanted to. And you can see it's cracking right around here. So glad I got these off there. Have a lot more peace of mind because these are rock solid. You can't hardly move those. So and inside there's 4 bolts that bolt. So I don't know if you can see it, 1, 2, and then the 2 down there in the bottom. They bolt to the bracket, which bolts to the frame. So a lot sturdier and a lot better. All right, that's it. We're gonna junk these and we'll be done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So stick around and we'll see y'all next time.